What up, what up? It's your boy K, boss up, baby. Back with another one, another gig app video to help you level up out the 9-to-5 rat race if that's what you want to do. Nothing wrong with working a 9-to-5, but we all know this economy is shit and we need some more extra cash, all the money we can get. And then, if you like this courier business, you can start your LLC and take it a little further and boss all the way up. So let's get into it. The app we're talking about today is VHO. Got a guy loading up right there for the VHO drivers. I'm not at the VHO warehouse right now. I'm at another warehouse where they load up some medical courier stuff. But yes, I still get it in. Yes, I still have a full-time job. Yes, I have a couple of businesses. All money in, no money out, 2025. So VHO, the gig app VHO, talked about it 2-3 years ago. One of those apps where you had to actually be on at 7 p.m., accept the order, accept the route rather, and next morning go pick up your route and deliver. So back then they were doing a lot of e-commerce. This was the middle of the pandemic. A lot of people ordering things online, so a lot of items need to be shipped out. But now I found out that VHO has switched over to more of a food delivery service. Factor, HelloFresh, some of those other food deliveries, those not catering, but those meal prep type businesses that deliver. I did one maybe 2 years ago through this company called Urban Runner, where I was delivering, I can't remember the name of the meals. Factor. Can't remember the name of the meals now. But I kept a couple of them. The meals are pretty good. So, a lot of people are doing that. A lot of people are on their health kick beginning of 2025. So they're ordering these healthy meals. A lot of these companies offer promotions, so they're trying it out. So they get a lot of new customers. So they need new drivers to, deliver the meals to the customers. So VHO is a gig app. It's available on the iPhone store, the Google Play Store. You can download, get started, real simple. Different areas have wait times. Of course, in Atlanta, Georgia, pretty much everything is oversaturated. A lot of people are driving. If you didn't get into a lot of these apps, day one is hard. But in certain other areas where they're growing, where they're hiring new drivers, you do have opportunities available. And don't worry about that. Always still get on the wait list. You never know, 2-3 months down the line, you get that email saying, hey, we're ready for you to sign up, we're ready for you to get started. And it may be perfect timing, or you may have figured something else out in the meantime, and then, you just have to put that on the back burner. But still sign up, because you never know when you're going to need that opportunity to drive. You never know if you can possibly, pimp it out to a friend and have them drive. Make a little money on the side for them using your app. I've done that before with these gig apps. A lot of them don't match up names and picture IDs once you get to the warehouse, so you can send somebody in your place. I ain't saying that's company rule, company policy. Don't get caught. But like I said, these apps, they don't know who's coming in the warehouse. As long as you got the app, you know what I mean, scan it, roll it, keep going. Just make sure they actually deliver. You don't want them to mess up your name or your business. All right. So my light just went off. Guess it's time to get on off here and get to work. But go ahead, boss all the way up. Download the VHO app. I'm gonna leave a picture right there for the icon so you can see what it looks like there, and the link for the website VHO to sign up will be down in the description of this video, as well as my way to book a consultation with me, and my Courier Ebook, only $15. Gives you a bunch of information, have some scripts to call some people to book your own loads, get your own loads, and talks about ways to gauge how much you want to charge for routes and everything. So go ahead, hop on that. If there's something you want to do, this gig apps are primarily a side hustle, primarily an extra income opportunity. But in certain areas where it's not oversaturated, you can make a good full-time income, especially if you're only making $14, $15 an hour at your regular job right now. If you got a vehicle, go ahead and hit the road. Now, of course, they want your vehicle to be at least 10 years or younger. Certain size vehicles may get picked above smaller vehicles. So if you got an SUV or minivan, they may onboard you a little bit quicker or give you better routes. But most of these routes can be done in a Toyota Camry, Corolla. And they load it up in the back seat, load up in the trunk. 20, 25 stops, boom, bap, bang. 5-6 hours, you are done. All right, so go ahead and do it. Boss up, stack them coins, and level up 2025. Yeah,